And it's time to update the How to Get a Homeless Person's ID video since things have changed during the pandemic. You need 3 things to take with you to the DMV with a person: birth certificate, proof of residence, and the Numinent Lite document from Social Security. For birth certificate, go to vitalcheck.com. You will need the person with you to answer security questions. You're going to order it as self for the purposes of housing. The proof of residence, you can go to pretty much any shelter or outreach agency and ask for a homeless verification letter, though I have at times just gone to DMV with a typewritten letter with the letterhead from my other nonprofit and just said this person is homeless. They're using my mailing address and shipping address. DMV has taken that. For the Numinent Lite, which is numerical identification, you're going to call your regional Social Security office. Again, you need the person with you to identify themselves to the agent on the phone, and they will fax you a numerical identification Lite. It is a 1-page document. Take all 3 of those documents to the DMV to get ID.